Hey guys, check out this big dude. This is wild man here, and this is what we call an elephant hawk moth caterpillar. It can grow up to 8 centimetres long, and that's a beast. As you can see, he's got a little spike on his tail there. They have 2 sets of eyes. Well, what look like 2 sets of eyes. I always like capturing a bit of nature. This is actually in my back garden. Wild man let his garden go to wreck and ruin, so I've got a big job on today. I just thought I'd share this little guy with you. Big guy. Awesome dude. WILDARMY in the garden.